5 effective ways to improve your self-confidence. This is from the book, The Magic of Thinking Big. So the first one is, be a front-seater. So most especially, if there are seminars, conferences, or even sa school, palaging doon ka sa unahan umupo para mas ma-absorb mo yung topic. And believe me, this is really powerful to improve your self-confidence. Di ba pansin nyo, kalimitan sa unang napupuno, yung likuran, samantalang wala naman tao sa harapan. Kaya starting today, be a front seater. The second one is make eye contact. So every time na nakikipag-usap ka sa tao, lumingin ka sa kanya. And again, this is effective. The more na nakikita mo yung reaction ng faces nila, the more na parang alam mo yung pag sa tumitingin ka sa kanila, feeling mo talaga nakakonect ka sa kanila. So that's the second one. Third one is to walk 25% faster kaysa sa usual na ginagawa mo. So, this is also helpful kasi nga, yung posture pa lang natin, yung movement natin, it also shows our self-confidence. So, effective siya. Lakad lang tayo ng mas mabilis. Huwag lang yung sobra. Huwag naman away. Speak up. So, if you have a question, if you have suggestions, sabihin natin yan. So, try to speak up. Sa mga conferences at nagsabi na yung speaker na if they have any questions, and if you really have a questions, tanong natin mo, especially dapat relevant naman sa topic. This is effective. So, marami talagang takot lang magtanong. Basta nakasanayan mo na to, malaking tulong to. And lastly, smile big. So, siguro ito na yung pinaka-effective dito. Kaya pansin mo yung mga tao kahit kabado ngumingiti pa rin. And yun, itatawid nila yung ginagawa nila sa reporting, sa interview, and whatsoever. Just learn to smile big. So, 5 practical tips. Be a front seater, make eye contact, walk 25% faster, speak up, and smile big. So, that's all. Let's go, let's grow. God bless.